Guys, it looks like Ryan Reynolds was confirmed to be walking the red carpet tonight at the premiere of I Like Me. It's his John Candy premiere tonight, and John Candy was a comedian in Canada. I want to know. I mean, the headlines are starting to circulate that he is confirmed to be walking the red carpet. Does Blake go? I go back and forth, guys. I go back and forth. I think the right thing for Ryan's brand is to continue separating from Blake. I think the right thing for the movie and to keep the focus on the movie is to not have Blake there. And it'll also speak volumes because if she's not there, he knows that she's radioactive to his own brand. But do you bring her and quash the divorce rumors? I want to hear from you guys because I can't decide. I think it's going to be a no. But Jesus, if he shows up without her tonight, either way, headlines are going to be going crazy.